Hi, this video is for Tuesday, April 7th. But like we've said kind of all along, due dates really are at the end of the week. So this week is Thursday because we don't have school on Friday. But just wanted a quick video about where you should be and what you should be doing next. So on Monday, we talked about research article number 1. A lot of you have done that. If you've done it, I should have put your grade in the grade book. You can look in Campus and check. There should also be a Schoology mark for that so you can check and see. But it's not due until Thursday, so don't worry about it if you haven't. Your next thing you're going to be working on is research article number 2. You're going to click that. It's a Schoology link this time instead of Google. We're trying to move all this stuff over, and I think a lot of your classes are doing the same. But so research your second research article about your topic. Remember, it should be something a little bit different than your first article. So if your first article was just basic history or information about your topic, maybe then look at some different avenues, some different angles, a different take on it. And so think about that as you're looking at your articles. So that'll be research article number 2. You'll click on that link. This will pull up. It's going to ask you to give your title, date of article, 2 questions you have about your topic now that you've read 2 articles, what information that's new to you about your topic, and then a 3 to 5 sentence summary. Just summarize your article really quickly. So, and then you'll submit that through Schoology. So those are the first 2 grades for this week. Wednesday, remember, is going to be, I want you to download the template and copy it. Some of you have already shared your copy with me, which is great. But when you do make that copy, go ahead and share it with me, and then that'll be the working document that we grade. And then I also sent you a quick link through your email today, and I don't want to inundate you with a ton of things, but I also don't want you to be confused about what we're doing. So this little link for due this week, I'll just send this out each week is my plan, and it'll have links on it too if you need it. But it'll just tell you Monday the goal was research article number 1, Tuesday research article number 2, Wednesday I'll do office hours again from 10 to 10:30. It'll just be a Google Meet. It'll be posted on Schoology if you want to hop on and ask me any questions. It's just going to be in Rich Language Arts. Not everybody, so it'll be a smaller group if you do have any questions. Making that multimedia template link or copied. And then Thursday, your critical questions. And then we don't have any school this Friday. So that link that I sent you tonight through email is just kind of a reminder of what is due. So that's just a quick heads up for this week. I'm going to include this in the updates, and it'll be there, and then your other stuff's here on the side. So hopefully it's all going well. Your topics look really interesting. I'm excited to see what you do with it. All right, have a great day.